Alright, so you've just bought your first share. Congrats, that's a huge milestone. But now you're probably wondering, what happens next? Don't worry, you're not alone. I've been there, and today I'll walk you through your next steps as a brand new investor. First off, don't just sit back and ignore your investment. It's tempting, but now's the time to get familiar with your company. Check out their quarterly reports, earnings calls, and news updates. This isn't just about tracking price swings. Understanding the business helps you make smarter decisions down the line. Next, let's talk strategy. Ask yourself, is this a long-term hold, or are you looking for short-term gains? Your answer will guide everything. For most beginners, thinking long-term is the way to go. Try to ignore the day-to-day noise of the market. Trust me, it gets loud. And now, the big question. Should you buy more shares? Here's my rule. Only invest money you're comfortable locking away for a while. Don't rush. Take your time to learn and build confidence. Consider setting up recurring investments so you grow your portfolio over time without stressing about timing the market. Oh, and don't forget about diversification. One share is a start, but over time, aim to own pieces of different companies and industries. That way, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Finally, celebrate your progress. Every successful investor started with a single share. Keep learning, stay curious, and remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You've already taken the first step, and that's what matters most. Thanks for watching and happy investing.